Hello everybody, this is Deborah from Count Darby Post Library, and we are here today to celebrate Asian American and Pacific Islander Heritage Month. Reading a poem written by a Japanese author. The title of the poem is Song by Shuntaro Tanikawa. And first I will read the poem in English language, and then a Japanese lady, our guest reader, Mrs. Ayano Hinson, will read the same poem in Japanese language, the original language. Enjoy the poem. The title of the poem is Song by Shuntaro Tanikawa. Someone is singing of me in a tune of clouds, in a harmony of trees. Someday the rhyming rhythm of my heart will cease, but the song will go on celebrating you. The melody of water will flow along the river bottom. The pause of night will echo in the ruins.
タイトル歌谷川俊太郎。誰かが私を歌っている。雲の調べで木々の和音でいつか止む心臓の韻律。だが歌は続く。君をたたえて川底に流れる水の旋律。廃墟に響く夜の休止符。